By the name of Allah, the most kind and the most merciful. Today is our presentation day in our class, and my presentation is about safety. There are many diplomas in safety like NEBOSH, OSHA, IOS, and other many safety diplomas, but I have done NEBOSH. And what is NEBOSH? NEBOSH stands for National Examination Board of Occupational Health and Safety. And the definition of safety is the absence of risk of serious personal injury or staying away of dangerous area or protection of self from dangerous occurrence, accidents, harms is called safety. The importance of safety, that the first question is that why we manage safety. There are three reasons why we manage safety. One is legal, financial, and moral reason. Financial reason is that reason that when an accident or in health or any accident occurs, it cost money. That's why we and the cost will be direct or indirect. That's why we manage. This is the financial reason of safety. And moral reason is that reason that everyone wants to be safe while they are working in a workplace, and this is the responsibility of employer to provide a safe system and safe workplace for their employees. And the legal reason is that reason in the foreign country. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, there is no safety culture in Pakistan. People do not care about safety. But if we look at the foreign country, so there are lots of laws for safety. If an employer or organization work, so they must provide a safe system and safe method for their employees. And if they do not provide safe workplace for employees, so their enforcement action can be taken about against the employer, and they can be banned and they can get into the prison. And how does safety works? There must be a managing director and the organization whose responsibility is to manage safety for the whole organization, and he makes laws and rules and regulation for safety for the whole organization. Under the managing director, there are 2 or 3 directors whose responsibility is to enforce those laws or safety in the organization. And there are some supervisor or foremen who check that whether people follow or not the rules and the safety. If they do not follow, so they can stop them from the work. So it was all about my presentation. Thank you for listening.